To buy this product, please click the link below in the description. Thank you. This dual dashcam equipped with 1080p resolution front camera and waterproof rear camera. The car dashcam with 6 PCSIR LED and wide dynamic range. The front camera captures the license plates and road signs clearly even at night, thus ensuring to get you the best footage. Wide angle front, 170 degrees, and rear 130-degree camera help eliminate the blind spots of your vision. Seamless loop recording overwrites the old footage with new content when the card is full. Variable sensitivity G-sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it to SOS file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. Keep you away from driving disputes. This dashboard camera supports up to 32 GB of micro SD card. The dash cams automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. Hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. We suggest some important function settings for your daily using. G-sensor level, choose low, or turn off. Loop recording, choose 3 minutes. Motion detection, choose off. Parking monitor, choose on. To buy this product, please click the link below in the description. Thank you.